So I'll throw up my hands and praise you again and again. 'Cause all that I have is a hallelujah, hallelujah. And I know it's not much, but I've nothing else fit for a king except for a heart singing hallelujah, hallelujah. It's how you used to say I love you and I miss you. It's how you pretend to love me then, when you wanted all the things we've done before. Now it's too late to turn back anymore.
Happy birthday, Dol! So, ito, vlog muna tayo. Ito yung mga kusinero natin para bukas.
Wah! Yeah! Andito si Marlon?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, babe.
Happy birthday to you. Bakit ba yan? Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yan yung favorite photo mo, di ba?
Happy birthday.
Kinumpile ko yung mga photos natin nung ano.
Sa'yo ang pulutan. Akin ang pulutan. Sa'yo ang pulutan. Kana'y masimul. Anong wish natin, friend?
Di, thank you. Ito, maano talaga maghiwa. Ang galing. Thank you, pre. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, Lon. Ito, yung kusinero namin. Kirong na ako. Grabe effort ni ano.
Aalat kasi. Yeah. Patis.
Friend? Ilyas?
Kwarto.
Sa taas.
Sa kwarto.
Ilyas! Ano lang yung review para kung saan kulang. Friend! Saan ka?
Sa kwarto. Andiyan sa kwarto.
Uy! Tikman mo kung sarap na to para mamaya kayo ng review. Ano adobo! Ihiyapan mo.
May ano.
Ano? Walang pa? Walang?
Puro sauce yan eh.